Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Testing Education. Today we are going to cover a very important topic for FPSC and the other competitive exams, that is prepositions. So students, this lecture will help you understand concepts, rules, common mistakes and MCQs, everything you need for exam preparation. So let's get started. So first of all, we know about what is a preposition. Students, a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. It usually indicates location, direction, time and a manner or other relationships in a sentence. For example, she is sitting on the chair. Here the word on shows the relationship between the person and the chair. There are four main types of prepositions. The first one is preposition of time, the second one is preposition of place, the third one is preposition of direction, and the fourth one is preposition of manner. Now we will discuss each one in a detail. So the first one is prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show when something happens, or simply we say these prepositions indicate time or duration. Common prepositions of time are at, on, and in. The preposition at is used for specific times, for example at 5 p.m. The preposition in is used for periods or durations, for example in 2025, and the preposition on is used for days and dates, for example on Monday. And the second type is prepositions of place. The prepositions of place shows where something happens, or simply we say these prepositions indicate location or position. Common prepositions of place are at, in and on. So students, here the preposition at indicates a specific point or location. The preposition in indicates something is inside or within a space. And the third one is preposition on. On indicates that something is on the surface. And the third type is prepositions of direction. The prepositions of direction, these prepositions indicate movement or direction. Common prepositions of direction are to, into, and onto. The preposition to indicates movement toward. The preposition into indicates entering something, and the preposition onto shows movement to a surface. For example, he went into a room. And the final one is prepositions of manner. These prepositions indicate how something is done. Common prepositions of manners are by and with. By indicates something, a method or mean. For example, travel by train. And the second one is with. With indicates an instrument. For example, cut with a knife. Students, some common prepositions are frequently asked in exams like at, in, on, by, for and with. So you must practice these regularly. Now common FPSC style MCQs common FPSC style errors are highlighted here through the sentences. The first one is he is good in English is a wrong sentence, while he is good at English is a correct sentence. And the second example is she is fond for music is a wrong sentence, while she is fond of music is a correct sentence. So students, try to fulfill these sentences with yourself with correct prepositions and check your answer at the end. So students, this is enough for today's. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and subscribe to Testing Education for more amazing content. So see you in the next lectures. Allah Hafiz.